Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to our channel, The Best Farm. It's a wonderful and bountiful day once again, and this morning we are here in our farm, in our pre-range chicken farm, and I am happy to inform you that this is now their 17th to 18th weeks already. So they are 17 to 18 weeks old already, and they have already started laying their eggs. Although their eggs are still small, but what is good is that they have already started to lay their eggs. So guys, we will visit and look the every breeding room and see how many eggs they have laid so far for every room. So here they have two small eggs. See that, guys? The size is a small size. So right now they are averaging 1 to 2 eggs for every breeding room. And as I've said, this is already their 18th weeks. So that is roughly 4 months and 2 weeks already. And hopefully as time goes by, they will increase the yield of their eggs. So we'll see if they will be able to increase their production. So here in another room, we have 2 more eggs. That's our breeders. Some of them are on top of the breeding room. So here we have 2 eggs, guys, and still the size is also small. See that? So we'll close this one now and proceed to the next room. And we'll see if how many eggs they have laid in this room. So again, that's our breeders, and here we only have 1 egg, and also very small. So see, guys, every breeding room they have also their own ranging area. There is a ranging area at the back of each breeding room. So here, there is no egg in this breeding room. I think they have not started laying egg. So we'll proceed to the next breeding room. So here, there's also none. That's our rooster and our hens. So we'll proceed again to the other room. So here, guys, we have 1 egg, and as you can see, the size is also small. Hopefully as time goes by, their size will also increase or will become bigger. So that's it, guys. So this is now the last breeding room. There's also one egg here. We are now on the 28th weeks, guys, and we will see if their eggs have increased in size and in numbers. So here, guys, we have 2 eggs, and as you can see, the size is already bigger. It is medium to large already compared to the previous one, which is very small. So here in this room, guys, we have 4 eggs. See that? So the size is already bigger. So this is already medium to large. So look at that, guys. Some of the eggs are already large in size. Okay, this is breeding room number 4. So we're going to breeding room number 5. So guys, That's our breeders. We have just finished eating. So we're going to take their eggs. Okay, so here we have, oops, oh, there's none. Here, oh, we have 3. Oh, this is medium size already, guys. Their eggs are getting bigger and bigger every day. So right now we have medium size eggs. Okay, so we will close this one and then go to another room. And that's our breeders. Look at them, guys. They're so healthy. They're that big. Look at our rooster. So big. And these are their eggs. Okay. So here we have 3 eggs. Okay. We'll close this one again. Then going to room number 7. Okay, see that, guys? That's our breeders. Look at them. That's how big they are. And that's our rooster. Okay, guys, so big. Okay, we'll see their nest. Okay, so we have here another 3 more eggs. Okay, here. Hello, rooster. How are you? So biggy. You're so biggy already. Come on, guys. That's our hens. There. So here in every breeding room, we have a ratio of 7:1. We have 7 hens and 1 rooster. Okay? That's the standard ratio, guys. So we'll check their nest. Here we have 4 eggs. Okay, so every breeding room has an average of 3 to 4 eggs already, and this is now their second week of laying eggs. Hopefully before the second week ends, we'll be able to increase their egg production. Okay, guys, there they are. And here, oh, we only have 1. Only 1. We'll check here outside. There might be some eggs here. Okay. Oh, there's one more here at breeding room number 1. There. Oh my golly, why did you lay your egg at the ground? Here in this room, guys, are our extra roosters. So this is our reserve roosters, guys, which we will be using as an alternate to the rooster that we have already put inside of our breeders. That is so, guys, so that our roosters, which are now in the breeding room, can now rest for a while, so that they can maintain their strength, their vigor, and their vitality. And that way, guys, we can maintain the quality of their eggs that we will be using to incubate and to raise new chicks for our future breeders. These are the eggs that we have collected for today, and we will place them now in the tray and preparation for the incubator. These eggs, guys, are already medium to large in size, and so they are already ideal to be placed in the incubator and to hatch new chicks, which we will be using as a replacement for our breeders. Of course, some of these future day-old chicks, guys, will also be sold to prospective buyers. So that is all for this video, guys, and we hope that we were able to impart some ideas to you and you also learned something from us. So guys, always remember that you are the best, and here in Best Farm we always strive to give you some ideas and techniques and best farming practice and methodology. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you will always be updated with our future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.